Hi friends, today we gonna do the toy review by Sanvika and Peppa. This is our first toy review. Are you excited, Sanvika?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start now?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, who's this?
Susie sheep.
Susie sheep. This is a Susie sheep with the two tiny hands and the little legs. Susie sheeps.
She
Who
got.
comes the next?
That's Peppa's daddy.
Okay. And who is this?
That's Henry Elephant.
Sorry?
Henry Elephant.
Okay. Who comes the next?
That's Rebecca Rabbit.
Rebecca Rabbit. Oh wow.
She got a dress also.
So nice dress. Who's this?
This is Candy Cat.
Candy Cat?
Yes.
Wow. Do you like Candy Cat?
Yes.
Okay. She's also Peppa's friend.
Yeah. She got a green color
Who's this
dress.
next one?
It's Peppa Pig.
Oh, so he's the lead actor. Lead character of the movie. Peppa Pig, the red frog.
She got red dress.
Red dress. I love it.
Yeah.
Who is the next guy?
He's Daddy Dog. He got a red T-shirt.
He's a daddy dog?
Danny.
Danny. Oh, I heard daddy. So he's
Danny.
Danny dog. So
Yeah.
nice. Dog is saying you. Oh. Let's see who's next.
That's Richard Rabbit.
Witchet Rabbit. Oh wow. Do we have two rabbits in Peppa Pig family?
Yeah.
Which one?
We have
Witchet Rabbit and
Rebecca Rabbit. Then
Rebecca Rabbit.
and one more to
Two rabbits. And who is this?
George Piggy.
Oh, he's that little brother you talk about. George Pig. Wow.
George Piggy.
George Piggy, the naughty guy. Let's see who's next.
That's Pedro Pony.
That's Pedro Pony. Hi, Pedro Pony. How are you?
I
And who's next?
like Zoe Zebra.
Zoe Zebra, is it?
Yes.
Okay, the stripes.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Zebra is saying, hi, how are you? Papa says, I'm fine. So let's say, thank you all Peppa Pig friends. Who's the last one? One more. Who's this guy?
I'm Zoe.
Sorry?
I'm Zoe.
I'm Zoe.
Yeah.
That's great. Bye bye, Ham Zoe.